best VPN application out there, Turbo VPN Lite. I'll be reviewing it and show you guys how to use this application here like a pro. Stay tuned. Pretty much the home screen of the application. Very simple layout. Via 3 lines, you have the premium subscription page, account section, and the servers. So in the settings feature here, you have the protocols that you can use, but it's by default, and this one here, I don't recommend you changing anything. Just let it stay as it is. You have the auto connect feature there, which pretty much connects anytime you have opened the VPN application. Now, if I go in the server section, I can either tap on the globe icon there, or I can go over the 3 lines and tap on the server location. So I'm going to tap on the server location here. I can see all the servers that are available. You have the free servers at the top. Down here you have some free servers as well, and some other servers which are premium subscription servers. So any server that you see with the crown icon, those are pretty much the premium subscription servers. So whichever server you want to use, all depend upon you. So you can tap on the circle icon here at the top, which pretty much refresh the server list for you. I do recommend that it stay on the smart location because it will select the fastest location for you. So the fastest smart location is pretty much for the premium subscription. So if you don't have it, you won't be able to select that. But the smart location works for the free users. But if not, just want a specific server, let's say for France, you can just tap on that server that you want and you're pretty much good to go. And if it's your first time connecting to the VPN, it will ask for connection requests. Just tap on OK. You're pretty much good to go. VPN will connect in no time. So here you will see the premium subscription. If I tap on the upgrade premium option, here you can get a 3 days free trial of the premium subscription, and then you will start paying their monthly fee of, let's say, $12, and you have a year subscription there as well. So pretty much shows you what you're getting and everything. So that's pretty much it for this VPN application here. Also, you get the discount message, but usually always show this message. But again, if you do see it and you pretty much want to see it on subscription, you can grab it. So yeah, it's a very good VPN application. I would recommend it to anyone. It's very fast. Even the free servers are fast. So if you have any problem with the application, you can comment below or you can contact their support team. And that's all for today. Stay tuned.